This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coasters, specifically these bamboo leaf coasters. The natural round bamboo leaf coasters measure 3 inches in diameter and are suitable for both hot and cold drinks. As you can see, they feature this lovely, natural, and varied pattern that's derived from the leaves themselves. So each one is going to look just a little bit different. And it gives it that nice, natural yet chic feeling that makes them perfect for any event or venue. They're both commercially compostable and biodegradable for a great eco-friendly disposable option, and they're crafted from sustainable bamboo leaves. They're a perfect accent for under cocktails, sodas, or lattes, and they're great for restaurants, bars, hotels, caterers, event venues, party planners, and more. Anyone who's looking for a nice, eco-friendly disposable coaster option.